Good morning, friends. Previously, in chapter number 12, algebraic expression, we learned some extra example in which we need to solve the algebraic expression in simplified form. Okay, and we learned the concept of brackets, how we can solve the example that are given in a bracket. So at that time, you need to solve inner bracket first. And whenever, how can we solve the inner bracket? If there is a negative sign outside the bracket, you need to change all sign of terms inside the bracket. Okay, that you need to remember. Always solve inner bracket first, and then if there is a negative sign, then change sign of terms inside the bracket. Clear? That you need to remember. If it is a positive sign, then no need to change the sign. Only you need to remove the brackets. But if it is a negative, then whenever you remove the brackets, all sign inside the bracket will be changed. This concept is also applied when only numerical value is given. It is not necessary that this concept is applied to algebraic expression. If you have a number like this, then whenever you open this bracket, all sign of numbers inside the bracket will change. So 3 will be minus, 2 will be minus, and 3, this last 3, that will be plus. Okay, so that you need to remember. Now today we will solve the concept in which finding the value of expression. In that the value of variables are given and you need to write the values of variable, and then you need to find the value. So let's start with the first example, example 7, that is given in your textbook. Find the value of following expression for x is equal to 2. Now you can see x is our variable and its value is given 2. So wherever you see the variable x in expression, you need to write instead of x 2. Okay, so let's start with the first x plus 4. Now here value of x is given 2. So in expression we need to write value of x 2. So here we write 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay. Now next one 4x minus 3. Now 4x. Now what is the operation between 4 and x? It is in a multiplication. Means you need to multiply with 2 instead of x because value of x is given 2. So we can write 4. Here value of x is 2 minus 3. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3, that is 5. Now next one 19 minus 5x square. X square means multiply x 2 times. X square means what? Multiply x 2 times. But value of x is what? 2. So here instead of x if we write 2, then we get 19 minus 5. This one is 2 square. 2 square means 2 multiply 2. 2 multiply 2 is 4. 5 multiply 4 is 20. Now 19 minus 20 is minus. So that will be our value of expression when x is equal to 2. Now fourth one 100 minus 10 x cube. X cube means x multiply x multiply x. So if we write instead of x 2, we get 2 cube. 2 cube means 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. That is what? 8. So 100 minus 10. 2 cube is 8. Now 10 and 8 are in a multiplication. So we get 100 minus 80. And 100 minus 80 is 20. So that is our value of expression. So this way we can solve the example in which value of variable is given and you need to write the value of variable inside the expression, and then you can find the value of expression. Now next example 8, find the value of following expression when n is equal to minus 2. Here you can see the value of variable is given n is equal to minus 2. So instead of n you need to write minus 2. So let's start 5n minus 2. So instead of n you need to write minus 2. So we write minus 2 here. Minus. Now whenever this kind of example is given, you need to perform the multiplication. Now you already learned about the Demar's property. Demar's property means division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first, whenever in the expression you have a operation of division, then first perform division, then after multiplication, then addition and then subtraction. So here we have a subtraction, and between 5 and minus 2 there is a multiplication. Why? Because 5 n, it means 5 is multiplied with n. So minus 2 is also multiplied with 5. So first perform multiplication and then subtraction. So 5 multiply minus 2, that is minus 10, minus 2. Now both are negative, so addition of numbers, 10 plus 2, that is 12, and sign of bigger number, that is minus 12. Now this is the concept of integers. Next one, 5n square minus 5n minus 2. So again, instead of n we need to write minus 2. So we can write 5. Instead of n we need to write minus 2 square. 5 minus 2 minus 2. Now here solve this square first. So minus 2 multiply minus 2. Square means what? Minus 2 is multiplied in 2 times. So 2 2s are 4 and 2 negative signs, here is a positive. So we get 5 inside the bracket. 4 minus 5 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 2. So that is 10, but it is positive minus 2. Now here we get 5 4s are 20. 10 minus 2, that is 8, plus 8, and answer is 20. Now next one, n cube plus 5n square plus 5n minus 2. Again, instead of n you need to write minus 2. So we write n cube means minus 2 cube plus 5 minus 2 square plus 5 minus 2, and at the last we have minus 2. Instead of n you need to write minus 2. Now minus 2 cube means what? Multiply minus 2 3 times. So we can write minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2. 3 times, 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. Now 3 negative signs, so answer is negative, so answer is minus 8 plus 4. It is 5. Minus 2 square means 4. So we get 4 here plus 5 multiply minus 2. So that is what? Minus 10. So here we get minus 10 minus 2. Minus 8, 5 4s are 20, minus 10, minus 2. Now minus 8 plus 20 is 12, that is positive 12. 12 minus 10, so that is 2, and 2 minus 2 is 0, so answer is 0. Now next one, here 2x for example is given, 6n square n cube minus 3n. Instead of n you need to write minus 2. So 6 minus 2 cube minus 3 minus 2. Minus 2 cube is what? Minus 8, and minus 3 multiply minus 2 is 6. Now 6 8s are 48, but negative plus 6, which is minus 42. Clear? Now next one, 2n minus 4n cube. So again, instead of n you need to write minus 2, minus 4, minus 2 cube. So here 2, minus 2 multiply minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4, here it is minus 8. So answer is what? 28. Okay, so this way we can find the value of expression when value of variable is given. Now example 9. Find the value of expression for a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2. So here you need to find the value when a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. So variable 2 given, that is a and b, and both values are given. So wherever in an expression you see a, you need to write 3, and wherever you see b, you need to write 2. So let's start with the first. A plus B means instead of having A we need to write 3 and instead of B we need to write 2. So that is 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 7A minus 4B. Here again instead of A we need to write 3 and instead of B we need to write 2. So here 7. Instead of A we need to write 3 minus 4 and again first you can see 7 and A are in a multiplication, so perform multiplication first. 7 3s are 21 and here 4 and 2 are in a multiplication, so that is 8. Now it is 30. So 28, 21 minus 8 is 30. So that will be value of expression. Now next one, A square plus 2AB plus B square. So here value of A is 3. So we write 3 square plus 2, 3. Value of B is 2. So instead of A we write 3. Instead of B we write 2. And next it is B square. So it is 2 square. Now find the value 3 square means 3 multiply 3, that is 9. Now here 2, 3 and 2. These three numbers are in a multiplication. So 2 3s are 6, 2s are 12 plus B square is 4. Now find the addition. So 9 plus 12 is 21 plus 4 is 5. 25. So this will be our answer. Now next one, A cube minus B cube. A cube minus B cube means value of A is 3, so we write 3 cube. Value of B is 2, so we write 3 cube. A 3 cube means 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. 3 cube means what? Multiply 3 times. So it is 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Be very careful, not it is 3 3s are not 9. It is 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, that is 27. Minus 2 cube means not 6, it is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, that is 8. So 27 minus 8, so answer is 9. Okay. Now next one, here we will start exercise 12.3 with question number 1. If m is equal to 2, find the value of expression. So what is the value of variable m? That is 2. So here first is m minus 2. So instead of m we need to write 2. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. Next one, 3m minus 5. Again instead of m we need to write 2. So 3 inside the bracket 2 because here m is in a multiplication with 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 5. Always perform multiplication first whenever that is this kind of example. So here answer is. Now next here third example in which again we need to take m is equal to 2. So 9 minus 5. Value of m is what? 2. So we write 2 here. 9 minus 5 2s are 10. Not perform 9 minus 5 first. Because you can see that is a multiplication operation is there in expression. So first perform the multiplication and then perform the subtraction. Again you need to apply Demar's property. Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So here 9 minus 10 is minus 1. Now next example 3m square minus m minus 7. So again value of m is 2. So here 3, 2 square minus 2 minus 7. 2 square, that is 4. So here 3 inside the bracket 4 minus 2 minus 7. 3 4s are 12 minus 2 minus 7. Now 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 minus 3 is 10 minus 7 is 3. So answer is. Now next one. 5m divide 2 minus 4. Value of m is what? 2. Now this 5 is in multiplication. We write 5 inside the bracket 2 divide 2 minus 4. So here 2 will be cancelled out. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Next example. If p is equal to minus 2, find the value of expression. So 4p plus 7, value of p is what? Minus 2. So here 4 minus 2 plus 7. 4 multiply minus 2, that is minus 8. plus 7, minus 8 plus 7 is minus 1. Next one, 3 minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So instead of p you need to write minus 2. So we write minus 3. P square means minus 2 square plus 4 multiply minus 2 plus 7. First solve this one. Minus 2 square is minus 2 multiply minus 2. So what is minus 2 multiply minus 2? That is plus 4. 4 that is positive and minus 2 multiply 4 that is minus 8 plus 7. Here minus 3 multiply 4 that is minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. Minus 12 minus 8 is minus 20 plus 7 is minus 30. So that will be our answer. Now next one. Minus 2p cube minus 3p square plus 4p plus 7. So here instead of p you need to write minus 2 cube 3 minus 2 square plus 4 minus 2 plus 7. Minus 2 cube is minus 2 multiply minus 2 multiply minus 2 that is minus 8. Minus 2 square is plus 4. 4 minus 2 is minus 8 plus 7. Now minus 2 multiply minus 8 that is 16 but it is positive because both are negative. Minus 12 minus 8 plus 7. Now 16 both are negative so we write minus 20 here plus 7. 16 minus 20 is minus 4 plus 7 is 3. So that will be our answer for this expression.